are wondering if the mini jet fan is actually any good for cleaning cars and also maybe drying water off a car as well. So let's check it out. So for example, if you want to remove the water, let's see how absolutely awesome the thing is. Again, for example, from your window as well, or the roof. So you see, it blows pretty much everything away here, and you can direct and get rid of it. And again, the best usage for this tool, I think, is removing simply water from hard to reach places that often have problem drying and leave basically spot on your car. For example, you can remove everything here. So let's see, it blows away pretty much everything here. Again, from all these areas. Yeah, for this stuff, it's absolutely awesome, I think. Also, I would say it's absolutely excellent if you simply need to blow out your car and remove basically some particles that you maybe have dropped or stuff like that. So you see, turn it on, and basically everything flies away essentially. Again. So you see just how powerful the thing is. And as you see, everything is completely clean here. And also, for example, these cup holders again. So I have some coins there. It can even blow away coins essentially. Yeah, absolutely awesome. And yeah, overall, when it comes to power from these things that we can get for this price, I think it's absolutely insane. So definitely the motor actually is quite powerful on this unit. Also, obviously, we have these magnetic attachments, so you can actually forward the stream of air basically even more concentrated if you need. By the way, if you are looking to get this blower, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can use to get it for the cheapest price possible. So personally, I got mine from AliExpress and actually paid only around $10, and that also was with free shipping. For this price, I think it's absolutely insane. Also, in the description, I'll also maybe managed to get some extra coupons, so basically check out those coupons combined with this price. Maybe you can even like bring it down even further. So yeah, for this price, totally unbeatable. Okay, good luck.